one I like to call better than Botox effect. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making an anti-aging facial moisturizer. This moisturizer is rich in vitamin A. Vitamin A helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It also contains vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-3. It also contains hyaluronic acid. This is a moisturizer that's going to have to reduce the laugh lines, help to lift, tighten, and firm the skin, help to boost collagen and elastin, just plump the skin up and give the skin that youthful appearance. Looking to take years off you? All you need to do is use this at least 2 to 3 times per day and you are on your way to amazing looking skin. Look at my skin, guys, just that youthful appearance. So if you're interested in this moisturizer, continue watching.
So my first ingredient is going to be coffee, and coffee helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It is rich in antioxidants that also help to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. The caffeine in coffee also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and keep the skin looking plump and firm. So what I'm going to do with this coffee, I'm going to be brewing the coffee. And here I already have some freshly brewed coffee. I'm going to reach for a small glass prep bowl. I'm going to reach for my wooden spoon. And I'm going to pour about 2 tablespoons of the coffee. For this recipe, we preferred freshly brewed coffee. If you do not have a coffee maker, go ahead and grind the coffee beans, pour hot water, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then you strain off. So now that we have our 2 tablespoons of our coffee, we're going to reach for some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera helps to remove pigmentation from the skin, lighten, brighten, but it also helps to nourish and protect the skin. Today I'm going to be using a pink aloe vera. Go ahead and use whichever aloe vera gel that you have. So I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. 2 tablespoons. And what we're going to do, we are going to mix the aloe vera gel in the coffee. Just go ahead and blend, or you can also choose to use a whisk for this. And this is going to take about 2 minutes or so because you're totally dissolving aloe vera gel in the coffee mixture. So go ahead and whisk. Now after whisking, you should have a syrupy consistency like the one I'm showing here. Just look at this, more of a serum. And now we're going to kick this up a notch. We are going to reach for some aloe vera oil. So we're using aloe vera gel and aloe vera oil in this recipe. Now aloe vera oil helps to nourish the skin. It's a light oil that will not clog the pores. It is good for all skin type. It is also great for reducing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. We're using about 2 teaspoons of the aloe vera oil, pouring this in. Next, I'm going to reach for some pomegranate seed oil, 100% pure and natural pomegranate seed oil, rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, good for wrinkles, good for hydrating, and also good for clearing hyperpigmentation on the skin. I'm also going to be using about 2 teaspoons of the pomegranate seed oil, adding this to the mixture. Now once this is done, once that is done, we have an optional oil, which is the Bachi oil, also known as the Bachi oil, a very strong oil that is used for reducing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. For this oil, we're using only a drop or 2, so I'm using about 3 drops. If you do not have this oil, not to worry. However, if you have it, go ahead and use it. It's a perfect anti-aging oil. So now we are gonna mix this together, and we are gonna mix well. we are making an anti-aging facial moisturizer. We have coffee. We also have aloe vera gel, aloe vera oil, pomegranate seed oil, and also the Bachi oil. So mix and mix well. Now I have used pomegranate and aloe vera oil in this recipe. If you do not have these oils, go ahead and use rosehip seed oil, apricot oil, grapeseed oil. You can also choose to use papaya seed oil. Just make it your own. And now our mixture is finished. This is a perfect anti-aging facial moisturizer. Lift, tighten, firm, and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. I'm going to be pouring mine in a small glass jar. Make sure the jar you're using is sterilized. So let's go ahead and pour. This is it. This is better than a Botox anti-aging facial moisturizer. Go ahead, apply 2 to 3 drops on clean skin right after your facial serum. Massage it on the face, the neck, and the décolleté. Once you're done with that, go to sleep with it. This, however, is good to use AM and PM on the skin. Massage it on the neck and décolleté. Use this every day, and you're on your way to younger, fresher looking skin. Store it in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. If you have vegetable glycerine, go ahead and add a teaspoon to this for a longer shelf life. Is for a fresher look to the skin, a younger look to the skin, and a youthful glow to the skin. You can use this on your upper lips if you have upper lip wrinkles, and don't forget, if you have sagging jawline, go ahead and use this on the jawline. Don't forget also to take it down on the neck and décolleté. As I said, I like using this at night, and take a look at my skin, guys. It's like it's just a plump my skin up, and it gives my skin that youthful glow, just softening those wrinkles on the skin.